What is up guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to automatically upsell your existing clients using Claude. So let's get started. To automatically upsell your existing clients using Claude, we're going to start by creating a skill that will be responsible for generating our upsells for existing clients. In Claude, I'm going to click on Customize right here, click on Skills to create a skill that will be responsible for generating our upsells to send to our clients. To create a skill, I'm going to click on the plus icon right here. Then here I'm going to create a skill using Claude. Here I'm going to hit enter. To describe the skill that would like Claude to create for us, we're going to tell Claude, create a skill that takes leads from a spreadsheet. So the spreadsheet is similar to this one. So we're going to export our leads as a CSV file from our CRM. Or grab the leads from your CRM. For example, ClickUp, Monday, Notion, or other tools similar to these ones. This is just an example. I'm using Google Sheets as our tool to list our existing clients. So you can see we have the client name, industry, service that they offer, past work that we've done for them, and some notes that Cloud can use to generate personalized upsells for each of our clients. So assuming these are our clients, we're telling Cloud the skill should grab these clients and read and understand each client's name, industry, service that they offer, past work that we've done and delivered for them, and any available notes. Then analyze the gap between what's currently being provided and what additional high-value service could logically extend or improve their results. And for each client, generate a prioritized list of upsell opportunities ranked by estimated revenue, impact, and likelihood to close, while also producing a personalized, context-aware upsell pitch message tailored to the client solution and current service history, ultimately outputting a structural table that includes client name, current service scope, recommended upsell offer, priority score, and ready-to-send outreach copy so the agency can systematically convert existing clients into high-value accounts without manual analysis. So here I'm going to hit enter and give Claude a few seconds for you to create our skill for us. So here you can see it successfully created our skill for us right here. So it renames the skill to Upsell Opportunity Finder. So it reads a list of clients from this spreadsheet. Then analyzes the service gaps per client, scores priority, and writes personalized pitch following our cold email conventions. Then outputs the new data to a spreadsheet and returns only the link to preview the upsells and the outreach emails that we can send our leads. So to install the skill, I'm going to download it right here. And after it has been downloaded, we're going to install it. So to install the skill, I'm going to go back to the skills here. I'm going to upload the skill. Here we're going to drag our zip file. I'm going to upload the skill over here with this zip file. And you can see that our skill was uploaded right here. And we can preview our skill line by line to ensure that it has everything that we want. This is incredible. So go over the skill line by line to make sure that nothing is missing. And the skill actually works exactly how we would like. Here. So we'd like to return only the shareable link to preview the results. This is incredible. So now if you analyze the skill and notice that there's information that is missing, or there's information that you'd like to take out from the skill, you can edit the skill. To do that, just click on the three dots right here. You can click on edit with Claude. And here you can tell Claude to either include the information that you'd like added to the skill or exclude the information that you'd like removed from the skill. Now, since our skill works perfectly, we're going to use our skill to analyze our leads right here and generate upsells that we can send them. So here I'm going to find our skill and choose our skill right here, the Upsell Opportunity Finder. And then we're going to tell Claude, use this skill to process the client leads spreadsheet and generate for each client a ranked list of upsell opportunities, including a priority score and a personalized upsell pitch message, and output the results in a structured format for all clients, and also provide a shareable link to the generated results for review. To generate the upsells, I'm going to hit enter right here and give Claude a few seconds for it to generate our upsells to send our clients. So here you can see it successfully analyzed our leads on our spreadsheet over here, and then generated upsell opportunities for the leads right here. And it added the upsell opportunities to the spreadsheet right here. To preview the spreadsheet, I'm going to open this link. Now, when we open our spreadsheet here, you can see we successfully generated these upsell offers for each of our lead right here. So since we had a total of 10 leads, we generated these 10 opportunities for our 10 leads. You can see over here, this one we're recommending, we're upselling them automated sales pipeline follow-up system with AI personalized outreach sequences triggered by prospect behavior from the existing lead gen funnels. This is incredible. This one for this client where we are upselling them an AI-powered sentiment analysis system. This is incredible. For this one, we are upselling them an AI-powered attendee intent scoring system. We also added a priority score right here, the outreach pitch that we can send to each lead. Since we recommended these upsell opportunities for them, we're also generating a personalized outreach email that we can send to these lead, upselling them these different offers right here. This is incredible. So for this lead, here is the outreach email that we can send them. See here, we're going into more details on how. Here you can see we're going to more details on how our upsell can actually help them. It's incredible. You can see here is another outreach email that we can send them, upselling them on this offer. This is really incredible. And we did that for each of our lead. Here's the upsell offer. Here's the outreach pitch that we can send them here, upselling them on the offer that we are recommending to them right here. This is really impressive. Using our skill right here, we identified opportunities for these prospects and added the upsell opportunities to our spreadsheet right here. Also went ahead and also took it a step further to generate an outreach page. We can send our leads, upselling them on these different offers right here. This is really impressive. Let us try repeating the same with the different lists of leads. To do that, we're going to use our skill right here. So I'm going to search for our skill. Then we're going to tell Claude. I'm going ahead and updated our list with a list of new clients. So we're using real estate as the industry. So here's your name, industry, current service that they offer, past work that we've delivered, and the notes right here. These are real estate agencies. We're assuming that we've done email marketing for them, Google Ads campaign management, social media, content strategy, and SEO optimization. So now to find upsell opportunities for these clients and then generate an outreach pitch that we can send these clients using our skill. Here we're going to reuse our previous prompts here. Then I'm going to hit enter. Let's give it a second for it to generate our upsell opportunities. We can send our clients. So here you can see that it successfully generated our new spreadsheet right here with the upsell opportunities for our leads right here. This is really incredible. Let us preview the upsell opportunities of our leads. To do that, I'm going to open this link right here. When I open our spreadsheet, here you can see our client's name, service that they offer, recommended upsell offer that would like to upsell them. Here, generated an upsell for each of our clients right here. This is incredible. Now, besides the upsell offers, the priority score and the outreach pitch that we can send these clients with their recommended upsell offer. So for this lead, we are would like to upsell them on an automated tenant lead qualification follow-up system. And here's the outreach emails that we can send to them, upselling them on this offer. This is incredible. For this one, we'd like to upsell them on an automated inbound lead response and nurturing system. And here's the outreach email page that we can send them, upselling them on this offer. Same with this one right here. Here's the outreach email. Same with this one right here. Here's the outreach email. This is incredible. So we successfully found upsell opportunities for these clients here, then generated an outreach page to send them the upsell offer automatically using our skill right here in Claude. Let us try generating upsell opportunities from a different list of leads to analyze new clients and generate upsell opportunities for them automatically using our skill. I've updated our list with new clients right here. Here I've added accounting firms as our clients this time around. Here are their names, here's the industry, current services that they offer. Here are some past work that we've done for them. So now to find upsell opportunities for these clients automatically using our skill, we're going to reuse our prompt right here. So I'll copy it, paste it right here. Then I'm going to hit enter. Let's give it a second for it to find upsell opportunities for these clients. So here you can see it successfully analyzed our spreadsheet with our list of clients. Then went ahead and found upsell opportunities for these clients. Then added the opportunities to this spreadsheet right here. So now to preview the opportunities, the upsell opportunities for each of our clients, I'm going to open this link right here. Now, when you open our spreadsheet, here you can see list of our clients, the services that they offer, is the recommended upsell offer. We'd like to send each of our clients. This is incredible. Here's a priority score, and here's the outreach page email that we can send to our clients, upselling them on these offers right here. So for these company, for this client, we can upsell them on a client onboarding automation workflow to reduce manual touch points and improve new client experience. And we can upsell them these offer by sending them this email right here. Same with these client, we can upsell them on a monthly performance reporting dashboard using these outreach page. Same with this one right here. You can use this email to send them these upsell opportunity. Now we successfully found upsell opportunities for our clients right here, and then generated an outreach page email to send the clients these upsell opportunities using the skill that we created right here in Claude to find upsell opportunities for a new list of clients. Now spreadsheet, I've updated it with the new list of clients right here. So here are their clients' names. So here are their company names, the industry, service that they offer, post work that we've delivered, and a couple of notes for Claude to use to find upsell opportunities for these clients. So we added a couple of law firms right here. So now to find upsell opportunities for these clients and generate an outreach page, upselling these clients on the new offer that we found, on the upsell offer that we found using Claude. We're going to reuse these prompt right here. So I'm going to copy it, paste it over here, make sure that it's going to use our scale, and I'm going to hit enter right here. Well, now we're going to give it a second for it to find the upsell opportunities for a new list of clients. So here you can see it successfully found upsell opportunities for a list of clients that we added right here. Then it added the upsell opportunities to a spreadsheet with the outreach page email that we can send to each client, upselling them on the offers that we found. To preview the upsell opportunities, I'm going to open this link right here. Click on open link. When we open our spreadsheet, here you can preview our upsell offer for each of our clients. So for these clients, we're offering them marketing automation. So we'd like to upsell them on an automated lead nurturing sequence for inbound and SEO leads. This one we can upsell them on an automated prospect research briefs system. This one can upsell them on a reporting dashboard. This one we can upsell them on a lead qualification automation. This one on a segmented drip campaign, LinkedIn lead generation, content to lead funnel, content marketing program, review generation, reputation automation, and this one conversion rate optimization offer. This is incredible. Here's a priority score and an outreach pitch that we can send to each client, upselling them on their respective offer here. So for this one, so for this client who we would like to upsell them on a content marketing program, you can send them this outreach pitch, selling them on the offer. Same with this one right here, this one right here. This is really impressive. So we successfully found upsell opportunities that we can upsell our existing clients, then generated an outreach page to send them the upsell offer automatically using the skill that we created right here in Claude. This is how you can find upsell opportunities for your existing clients and generate an outreach page email to send to the clients, upselling them on the upsell opportunities that we just generated using the skill that we created right here in Claude. Thank you for watching. Now, if you'd like help automating manual tasks that you're currently doing in your business, just use the link in the description to schedule a call with me. On the call, we'll discuss into details on how I can help automate those manual tasks for you. But if you enjoyed this video, make sure you're subscribed to the channel and be on the lookout for the next video that will be dropping soon. But for now, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.